She told me it was a federal crime if I recorded the screen that they have for looking up public records.
Okay.
19 Wisconsin statute 19.35 is access to records.
Skip to the end quick. Tell me what. Just tell me what you're looking for, and then I can help you.
It's more than that. Can I have a regular deputy that doesn't have a court that they have to be in? Because I don't want to feel like I'm being.
For what? I'm just asking what you want us for.
Okay, you swore to uphold and defend my rights. My First Amendment rights were violated in that office by them telling me that I would be arrested if I recorded the screen in a publicly accessible area that shows records.
Okay.
The laws that these are the laws that they cited. They have nothing, it says absolutely nothing on there about whether or not you can take your own pictures or make your own copies. The fees are for what I asked them to do, the paper, the ink, wear and tear on the printer, and their personnel that has to research to get the records and then take the time to photocopy them. That's what the state law says. She cited these two statutes, 814, in the 814. Neither of these say anything about recording or taking your own copies.
Okay.
Because it's in a publicly accessible area and because I disseminate matters of public interest to YouTube and other outlets like that, this is a First Amendment freedom of press situation because it's a publicly accessible area. So if I'm recording in there and anybody else is on the computer, or if I decide to go on that computer and take a picture of a publicly accessible record that the public already owns, that I plan to disseminate, she said, oh, well, I said, these are the laws that you're violating. 18 USC 242, deprivation of rights under color of law. 946.12 is misconduct in public office. And all I want to do is take a picture of something because I don't have the financial ability to pay $1.25 for the paper copies. Which, yes, I would rather have those. It would be much more convenient for me to have those. But if I have the information on my iPad or on my phone as a picture, I can go home, take that information down, research what I need to on the computer, and everything else.
So
then she said
to me
that she wasn't going to interpret the law, but she's already interpreted the law improperly, and all I did was try to provide her with the law so that she could read them here or
Did you ask to talk to her boss?
I did talk to her boss.
Okay, what'd she say?
She said that if I did that, she was going to call you guys to arrest me, which is a Fourth Amendment violation.
So you want to do something that they say you have to pay for?
Right, but I don't have to under law. It doesn't say.
Well, they say you do, so you're gonna have to follow their rules until you can come up with a
So
different way to do it.
So if I do that, you're going to arrest me and violate my First and Fourth and 14th Amendment rights.
Well, I don't know what would happen if you do that.
Well, that's what I need you to clarify. Can you ask your boss then how I can proceed? Because I can't really afford to be driving in here again another time to try and get the same records.
If they tell you you can't, what would be the point then of them having to? They charge money for it. Obviously.
Okay.
What would be the point if everybody can just come in and take pictures of it?
Because the picture doesn't cost you anything.
That's what I'm saying.
The copy
that's
does.
What I'm saying. I know.
Right, the copy does. So they want me to pay them for something I'm not asking them to do. I'm not asking them to certify the picture that I take.
I got you.
I just want to be able to access the records, and 19.35 is pretty freaking clear. I know it. You should know it.
They have their policies, and I'm
right, but policy doesn't trump my First Amendment rights, and you should know that. You took an oath and then signed a contract.
All right, sir. If you want to go do it.
Do you have a business card?
And my last name is right here.
What's your badge number?
8605.
All right, thank you.
Excuse me, sir. Can anybody just walk in the car?
Sure. What's going on? Here? Okay. Did he say he was here?